Roush Yates Engines was a company formed back in 2003. The company was put together to create racing engines for Ford Racing. From that company, Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions was born out of the racing technology that we developed for the engine. Hi, I'm Bob Usman from Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions, a precision CNC manufacturing company. This is where it all began. This is the Ford FR9 engine that's used in NASCAR racing. There's over 847 parts in this engine, and of those parts, about 40 to 50% of those parts are manufactured by Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions. We decided to take and leverage all that technology and IP and tribal knowledge of CNC manufacturing and leveraging it into outside industries like aerospace and defense. Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions is about 90,000 square feet. We've got approximately 50 CNC machines, 42 people that work in the facility, from CAD/CAM programmers, CNC machinists, quality department. It's all a fully enclosed turnkey operation. Well, let me give you an example of the kind of work that we do. This is an alternator housing for a racing engine. It's a 5-axis CNC machine part. Very tight tolerances on the parts, made from 7000 series aluminum, and it is all custom to the requirements of our customer. We work from a print and a model to create this part to our customer specifications. This is another complex 5-axis part that we produce for the aerospace industry. Very tight tolerances, very tight surface requirements in the part. The part has a lot of geometry on it and a lot of very fine features that we had to machine into the part. We use a variety of materials, a lot of common alloys like aluminum and stainless steel, but we also do a lot of work with titanium and high nickel alloys, Inconel, Waspaloy alloys also. A lot of people ask me about what expertise we have in the industries we work in, and our focus and growth right now is in aerospace and defense work. So we are AS9100 certified, we are ITAR registered, we're registered with the Defense Department, the DLA, and so we've developed a quality management system and an operation process built around the aerospace and defense industry. We can do parts from tiny little Swiss turn parts with very intricate features on up the parts as long as 120 inches by 30 inches by 40 inches. Cleanliness is next to godliness with us. The culture of the organization is organization and cleanliness. And when you come into our facility, you will be blown away by how everything is so well kept.